Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400. Twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, lightweight sport bike. Beautiful metallic blue, only 4,600 miles. It's got reflective wheel tape. This bike is ready to make your commuter or your sport dreams come true. Come by, check it out. This thing is priced to sell just $44.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. What a value. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.